So hello everyone, welcome to e-commerce trends. In this video I will tell you that how to list products on Facebook marketplace. If you are a seller, like you sell on Miso, Amazon, Flipkart, so this is the best way to make more money by Facebook marketplace. If you list your products there, then you will get hundreds of queries every day, and if you are minded, then you will definitely convert your sales. And I will tell you everything step by step, that how will you list your products on Facebook marketplace. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first, what do we have to do? First we have to go to the Miso, and we have to search product, like which product you want to sell. Like I choose jeggings, so I select this one. Okay, so first we have to download the photos, like all photos we have to download. So as you can see that we have downloaded photos, and now we have to close this, and we have to open Facebook marketplace. Like I have already logged in, so you have to log in with your Facebook marketplace, and you have to go there and click on marketplace. You can see how many products are there. So we have to just go on selling, so we will click on sellings. So here we have to tap on create new listing, so we will tap on this, and we will select on this item for sale. This is for vehicle, and this is for, like, if you want to sell your home or rent your home, so you can choose this. But we have to list our product, so we will choose this. It's very simple to add products here. So first we have to add photo, like the photo which we downloaded on Miso, like this. We have to select all photos. Like this. And now we have to paste the title, like this is jeggings, so we will type jeggings for jegging for girls. Dark blue. We don't have to give vast title, we will just give short title, so that our product will rank on Facebook marketplace. Now we have to put price. Price you will have to select from there, like 170, but Miso increase 25 rupees, so like 170 and plus 80, so 170 and plus 80, so this is the total price 250. So we will directly put the price there, 250. And category we will choose, like women's clothing and shoes. Condition would be new, and description you can take from Miso, like this is the description, so you can directly copy and paste there, so there is no problem. And size, you can see there, like 12 13 years, 13 to 14 years, 14 15 years, 15 16 years. So we will select size like and uh, 13 to 14 years. So you can fill like this and comma, after again you can put 14 to 15, like 14 to 15 years. So it's very simple. And color, you can type dark blue. Brand, if you have your own brand then you can type, otherwise doesn't matter, you can leave this option as well. And as you can see that the brand is Bang, so you can put also Bang. Material, you can see there like rubber ghost as a printed not quantity. तो यहाँ पे मटेरियल तो नहीं है, तो हम लोग अपने आप से पेस्ट कर देंगे. वी विल चूज कॉटन. Here you have to put product tags, like you can paste jeggings for girls, jeggings for women, girls jeggings, and you can put stylish jeggings. You can paste maximum 9 to 10 titles, so that your product will rank on Facebook Marketplace. And SQ code is, you have to give unique name or unique number, so that you can analyze that it's your product. So you can simply type jegging, like GEG, and dark blue, so DRK and BLU, dark blue. And location, you have to select like where you want to sell more, so I will keep it same, like New Delhi. And this is for ad, like if you boost its listing after publish, so you can place ad as well, so I don't have to place, so we will simply tap on next. And now we can simply publish our jeggings, but I will not publish because I don't have to publish this product. So this is the very simple way. And now you can see here condition, new, size, color, brand, material, 250 price. So this is the overview of your product. And now if you receive orders or queries, so you will get confirmation on message box, so you can see their message. So if you tap on this, so this is, you can see marketplace. You have to tap on marketplace. There you can see that I have a lot of queries on my products, so you will also receive queries here, and you have to reply of the queries. It's very simple. And during the queries, you have to take customer number and customer's address, so that you can place order on Meesho. Now suppose that you have received an order and you have received phone number and address. Now what you will do, you have to directly go to the Miso section, and now you can see the section of add to cart. So suppose that you received the queries of 12 to 13 years, you have to select this, and now you have to add to cart. So it's asking OTP. So now I have the login, and now what you have to do, you have to click on buy now, and now you can see that you can add new address. So if you click on this, you have to type the customer name, customer address, customer's pin code, city, state, and nearby location, and you have to simply save address and continue. After this you have to click on this deliver to this address, and now you can see that you have to click on cash on delivery, and you have to simply put continue, and after uh, tapping on continue, your order will get placed automatically. And now sellers will drop the items to your customer directly from their home. So it's very easy to earn money from marketplace of Facebook. And believe me, if you list your product on Facebook marketplace, you will receive daily hundred of queries. And if you are minded, you can, अगर आप कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं अपने सेल्स को, तो believe me, you can achieve many orders daily. So this was the video which I had to tell you about Facebook Marketplace. And if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, and I keep on uploading videos on e-commerce like Miso, Amazon, Flipkart, and how to earn online. So if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe the video and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.